share this with you. Sometimes frustration with the job is caused by the job itself, and sometimes the frustration is a sign that it's time to move on.
But I keep thinking about.
Watch that. Got it.
Oh, that's a good one.
I wanted one more. God, ooh, what I got
Go.
Brim. I just asked for one more. You heard me?
You
I
sure
just
did.
said, I'm like,
You
Lord, I
give me
want one more. That's that same one you letting go. Came back. Thank you, Lord. Now to answer prayer time, I'm telling you.
He sure did answer that one quick.
Told you. I'm sorry, I know it hurt.
Yeah, he said one more and you got it.
Ah, I'm trying to get it, can't get it. Got it. It's a pretty nice one too. See what I'm talking about. You get it? Might be able to get it.
Yeah.
Oh,
There you
okay,
go.
okay. All right, let him
Yep.
go.
Mhm.
Let him go.
He
God
get
done
to
answer
go
my
back.
prayer.
Woo, woo.
Thank you. All right.